Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the keyboard to avoid shorting the switch. Once done, photograph the key layout so you can restore placement later. Make a thin tool from a plastic card or loop dental floss under opposing edges of the cap. You can also use your fingernails if necessary. Pull straight up with steady, even force. This prevents bending the stem. You're creating controlled leverage so the cap pops free without stressing the switch beneath. Once a corner starts to lift, switch to alternately prying opposite sides so clips release evenly rather than one side snapping free. This reduces stress on the stem. Make sure to support the switch housing with your other hand or a finger to counteract upward force. For larger keys, space, enter, shift, identify stabilizer bars and free the small clips first before removing the whole cap. Move slowly and feel for click releases. Rushed pull. To finish, align the cap stem squarely over the switch and press straight down until you hear or feel a click. Avoid rocking motions when seating it. If the key remains wobbly or won't engage, inspect the cap's retaining clips and stabilizer wires for cracks or bends and replace or straighten them as needed. If keys misbehave after reassembly, make sure debris is cleared. Use compressed air or an isopropyl swab. Then retest. Replacement clips are inexpensive if a clip is broken.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.